कि हम माशाल्लाह बहुत खूबसूरत हैं।
वो तो हम होते हैं।
ब्यूटीफुल
दोनों को देख लीजिए। आपकी आंखों को देख लीजिए।
आप अपनी
You know, Raj is very good in comedy. So Shrikant,
Oh,
I had
yeah.
given it off to him in the sense that his full shoulder went one up, one down. I could see his body changing. I was like, listen, don't do this.
It's news for us also. काला जादू करती हैं, ये है वो है। विक्की
Green forest.
प्लीज आपने कितनी बार बोला है?
बहुत बार. Vicky, please. Somebody asked me, do you believe in voodoo? आप voodoo करते हो? I'm like,
आपने बोला अभी आपका डॉल रखा है।
हाँ, मैं आपका डॉल लेके आती हूँ, उसको मैं pinch. When I was a teenager, somebody just pinched me and went inappropriately. Hey, listen, if you feel uncomfortable, you're a grown-up woman. Just look at him and say, hey, what are you doing? अरे रिजेक्शन तो मतलब अब तो मैं प्रो हो गई हूँ बहन. For me and Raj, friendship has been the core. भाई घर चलाना, चला के देखो, फिर बात करेंगे.
तो हम बात करें I See Irfan 4
हाँ जी,
की?
बिल्कुल.
On set because it's also a very intense role.
Yeah.
Terrible. I mean, just trying to imagine you
Yeah.
being stuck in that aircraft and with all of that. What's a memory that you still carry from that?
The first thing that comes to my mind is claustrophobia. Because it was a really compact space.
Yeah. Are you a claustrophobic person?
No, but Stuti, anyway, it's a set. You make that set inside a set, right? Inside a studio.
Yeah.
So that whole studio was covered because it was the rains. And when you step out of the interior of the plane, you're still, and there are so many people, you're doing such intense scenes. There's not much oxygen, right? So it just makes you feel drained and dizzy and just, no, not good space. Not a good space.
Acha, you know there are two Bengali girls sitting here, right? So we're going to have some fun.
Yes.
कुछ बड़े अच्छे stereotypes होते हैं हमारे बारे में ना कि हम माशाल्लाह बहुत खूबसूरत हैं.
वो तो हम होते हैं.
Beautiful
दोनों
eyes.
को देख लीजिए. आपकी आंखों को देख लीजिए.
आप अपनी ठीक है तो आंखें बड़ी खूबसूरत होती हैं. Intelligent
बिल्कुल होते हैं.
कभी घमंड नहीं किया पर हैं तो
है. जो है वो है.
ठीक है. और फिर ये फनी वाले भी जो हम it's news for us also. काला जादू करती हैं, ये है वो है. Have you faced this? Because like you said, you've stayed out of Bengal and Bombay when you came. Did you kind of face all of any sort of strange?
I did day before yesterday.
Day before what?
Somebody asked me, do you believe in voodoo? आप voodoo करते हो? I'm like,
आपने बोला अभी आपका डॉल रखा है.
हाँ, मैं आपका डॉल लेके आती हूँ, उसको मैं pinch. I'm like, what bizarre.
I can't believe this. Somebody asked me.
Bizarre. It's just bizarre.
But another thing that gets us excited is Durga Puja, right?
Yes,
Devi
I love Durga Puja.
Shuru hobe. What is the meaning of Devi Shakti for you?
Devi Shakti is a very powerful Shakti, and how I relate to it is Guwahati में एक मंदिर है called Kamakhya.
You've been there?
Of course, my parents got married there, and I go there every time I go to Shillong. So that's what Devi means to me. And that energy when I go inside the temple, I don't know if you've been there, it's another kind of vibration. That's what Devi Shakti means to me.
And do you internalize that is a source of power to you? Are you a spiritual person?
Yeah, so initially I didn't understand it, but I read up a lot about it, and I just feel like life is not so unidimensional. And I just think that there's more to us.
There are many realms.
Yeah. Many realms and just more to what just eyes can see.
आपको राज की कौन सी performance आपकी personal favorite है?
मेरी personal favorite है उसकी शाहिद.
Yeah.
I loved him in Newton. His
Trapped. Newton, I love the film also. Yeah.
Trapped. I saw what he went through, having only coffee and one carrot a day. I thought he was losing his mind by
Did you panic? You're like, what?
No, I saw him just becoming this.
I know.
This other person that I had no idea who he was. I really enjoyed him in Bose also. I thought he there was an essence to both. And you know, Raj is very good in comedy. I just feel for an actor, if you're good at comedy, you're a really good actor.
Yeah.
Because
it's tough. It's tough to make people laugh.
Yeah. It is the toughest. Just to you're thrown into situations, and how can you make it funny? It doesn't come easily to most of us. But I feel like he just aces that. So of course, Bareilly Ki Barfi is 3 is 3 2. It's given.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Yeah. And has he seen your IC81? What did he say?
He really, really liked it. He called me up and we had a long conversation about it because he hadn't seen it earlier. He saw it once it dropped, and I know he's really happy.
That's lovely. Yeah, मुश्किल होता है क्या एक्टर के साथ रहना? एक तो solid actor, he gets into the role. You're also an actor, but is it like? I just wonder कि couple जो मतलब दो एक्टर्स कैसे कितने मूड स्विंग्स होते होंगे, कितना योर इनेट मेथड एक्टिंग, आई एम इनटू कैरेक्टर राइट नाउ, लाइक व्हाट इज इट लाइक?
No, so I feel like it's a boon because I know the workspace and he knows that.
Like if he's doing a Stree and all, that's chill, I'm fine. Sure. But when
he was doing Omerta, I thought I had gone to meet him in Delhi. And I thought, and he very sweetly, he opened the door for me. But I just could see glimpses of something that made me very uncomfortable. I particularly can't point out what it was, not even to him. And I was like, listen, I'm not very comfortable. I'm going to leave. You do you. So that was one that I was very, very uncomfortable about.
So cool.
One project.
एक बात बताओ.
Also Srikanth.
Oh yeah.
I had given it off to him in the sense that his full shoulder went one up, one down. I could see his body changing. Yeah. I was like, listen, don't do this. You know, it's, what if you have a shoulder injury?
Exactly.
And he kept doing that to his eyes, you know, which is, I understood. Yeah. But I saw it happening while he was sitting across the table and we're having a conversation. I said, listen, what? But then
actor की वाइफ बनना आसान नहीं है. अब rejection से कैसे deal करते?
How do I? अरे rejection तो मतलब अब तो मैं pro हो गई हूँ बहन. कैसे deal करती हूँ यार? ठीक है. I know it's not on me. You know, because I've understood in these many years that जब आप cast कर रहे हो ना, there are many factors to it. There are many layers to it. So I have told myself that it's not only about me. It has to do about many other things. So I'm not going to take it personally because I used to take it personally and I used to just 2 days would just go weeping. But यार स्तुति उससे कुछ नहीं होता है. आप रो, आप कुछ भी करो. You have to wake up and you have to bounce back.
Yeah. One very practical relationship advice.
For me and Raj, friendship has been the core.
Honest conversations.
Open conversation. He's my friend. I can tell him everything and anything. And I suppose so can he.
As a woman today who has a voice, what message would you give to the young boys and girls who are watching this or listening to us today? Because कहीं पे हर रोज ये news देख के एकदम it's become like we just are so drained. That how do you even respond to something that's happening every other day?
To the young boys and girls, I would like to say that it's so multi-layered. Yeah, I mean, firstly, mothers should raise up their sons
boys better.
Yeah. I have a brother. I saw and I see what is the conversation that my mother has with him, and he's all of 28 now. He's an adult. But still, my mother makes sure that she's going to tell him things that, of course, he already knows. Yeah. But she just thinks that it's the right thing to do. You know, when I was really young, as in when I was a teenager, somebody just pinched me and went inappropriately. And I thought that was really scary and I was very traumatized. And I just held it within me because I thought it was such a wrong thing. Maybe I was at mistake. How can it happen? And if I tell somebody, then...
And also that you don't know how to process it.
Process it. And if I tell somebody, then, they will judge me.
Correct.
So for a very long time, and I catcalls and especially when you're a teenager, I've seen, and especially when you're in a school uniform, I don't know what happens to these warped people that they think. So there were incidents.
You just become an easy target.
Yeah, easier target. And then and I just kept quiet about it for a very long time. And then and I didn't think over it so much. So one day I was somewhere and I got home and I told Raj that, this guy, he was staring at me. It was just so uncomfortable. And he was like, hey, listen, if you feel uncomfortable, you're a grown-up woman. Just look at him and say, hey, what are you doing? He won't do anything. But the next time he's doing that to somebody else,
he will remember that there'll be a reaction. Yeah. And sometimes as fully functional adult women, we freeze.
Because,
with Raj, you married a feminist. Congratulations. Total green flag, green forest. Vicky, please, आपने कितनी बार बोला?
बहुत बार. Vicky, please.
And so today? I mean, you both have such busy lives.
Yeah.
What do you? How do you manage to stay connected still?
Thanks to FaceTime, thanks to WhatsApp video calls.
But so technology comes handy.
Very handy. Otherwise, I think I would have gone crazy. We hardly meet actually. This year has been one of the busiest years. But thanks to technology.
But do you think, is there a natural advantage to being a woman? Ki hum tabhi some things we are better at. What's that?
Something navigating through stuff, our resilience, our...
The fact that we can multitask.
Yeah, we can multitask. And just the strength here. Just the strength that we have to pick up stuff and just keep going. I think, again, see, I'm sure even men do that, but I don't differentiate so much between men and women. But I just feel like seeing my mother at home and being it's so easy to just say, "Arey, my mother does nothing. वो घर में रहती है."
That's
भाई घर चलाना, चला के देखो, फिर बात करेंगे.
That's a beautiful note to end this conversation on. Thank you so much, Patra. And like you say, just seeing you glowing.
Thank you.
Always in your corner, cheering for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.